Right.
Let's go just in case.
Oh yeah, get this whole thing. Right, so I'm gonna glove up, and I'm gonna go outside. All right, so got it. 1 second. You're gonna see. You'll get to see all kinds of stuff. All right, so gloving up now. All right, and then okay. I will bring a bag with me since I'll be bringing the chicken eggs. But this is from yesterday, so you can see that these are the eggs, right? It's like a shopping cart.
Right.
And then, and then a mini shopping cart, and the eggs are in here. So bring this bag with me, right, to grab the eggs. Turn this back over. Right, I am going out now. Let me see here. Grab this as well. All right, so I'm heading out of my house. Go outside. Oh, I know what else I need is I won't be able to hear you guys. So what I'm going to do is I am going to also grab my AirPods so that I can hear you.
Yep.
Okay, so here we are, putting this in, and then putting this one in. Okay, you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very clear here. All gloved. All right, next step is to go outside. Let's see how this looks. All right, so this is where things are.
Yeah, we might lose him.
It's a nice sunny day.
There you
Gated
go.
area.
Yep.
In the back. And by the way, when we do the other animals, this is a structure that I'm working on in the back of my house.
Cool.
Yeah. Here we are. We're going inside. Right. So going inside, and this is what it's going to look like. So and here are the chickens.
Okay.
You guys see that?
Yep.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the coop. They'll come pretty quickly here. But you guys, can you see?
Yeah, we can see some eggs over there. Yep.
You can see some eggs?
Yeah,
I'm not taking
can you
any
get closer at all?
closer, like this?
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
Are you good?
Yes.
Yep.
Right, and you can see after I open the door, they're right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Is that everything you need?
Yep, that's everything we need. And what we'll do is we'll run this video and then have the model going so we can
close and then far.
Yep.
And then here are the roosting bars. They can, this is my own design. And then, so what happens is, what you'll do is you'll come over here, and then if you open up this, that's where you get to see the eggs from top down.
Gotcha.
Right? And you can see that some laid it over here. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. But that's just, where we put it specifically. And then what I'll do is I'll collect the eggs into this bag here like this. All right, taking it. And based on the temperature but I feel in my hand like this one is warm. It was recently laid. But over here, this might be cold. So yeah, these are colder. These were laid from a longer earlier. So that's a collection of I think like 6 or 7 eggs, right?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, so every day, 7 chickens, 7 eggs. But if it's 6 eggs, that means that someone hasn't laid yet. But every day it works like that, right?
Right.
There you go. Yeah, and they got their run. This is fully detachable. It's
Okay.
built on a wagon base, so that you can detach this and then pull this and bring it outside.
Hey, Gordon, would you ever take the ones you knew who lay eggs and separate them out? Because you could tell which one laid an egg if they were different enough.
Oh, yeah. I didn't find a reason to do that.
Yeah, I mean, but would anyone ever do that? I guess is the real question.
Not sure.
Like, hey, this
Not
this
sure.
one, this one, this one, 6 of them laid. We know who they are.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah. I mean, that's interesting. I mean,
I think that would be interesting if you were interested in productivity